babes, welcome back. Now, y'all know I have been bringing you guys all of the units that are going to be giving you the bang for your buck. So today is no different. I am actually working with Ali Pearl Hair. This is their 6x6 unit. Of course, they give me a ton of goodies inside of the packaging. Now, I will say the box did come a little interesting, but nevertheless, this is their 180% density 6x6 pre-cut lace closure. Now, y'all know I absolutely love a closure unit, especially when I don't have to worry about doing too much to it. Now, obviously, if you are somebody that don't really care about bleach knots, you could absolutely go ahead and install this. You guys see they already have the elastic band, the combs, clips, all of the things so that you can install this gluelessly. But I definitely wanted to just kind of take it up a notch just because why not, okay? So I wanted to kind of give this more of a scalp look. So I did go ahead and apply a little bit of bleach just to allow this to kind of sit, lift those knots a bit. And of course, I will be actually rating this. So definitely be sure to check out my description box. Ali Pearl actually has a new app, which I'm really excited to bring to you because of course, you get an additional 12% off. And of course, after you actually get a few points, I believe it's like 300 points, you get even more money off. So definitely make sure to check out all the details in my description box. And if you guys are not really familiar with how to go through this full process, I do have an even more detailed, slowed down, step-by-step tutorial on how to make your closure units look like scalp. You guys see, I did go ahead and just kind of tweeze it out a little bit. I did add a few baby hairs. I know a lot of you guys don't care for it, but sometimes I just like that extra spice. It definitely helps kind of give me just the look that I'm going for when I don't really want to overkill with making sure that all the knots are just, you get what I mean, okay? When you don't have that type of time, the baby hair definitely helps you out. Now, obviously, it's optional. So if you wanted to just smooth this back, you could. But I do recommend tweezing the hair out a little bit because it doesn't come like pre-customized, but it does come pre-cut. So, of course, I don't really know how I feel about that. I feel like if more companies did offer that like option to customize some of the units, you guys, of course, it would cost a little bit more, but at least you know you can literally get it out of the packaging, throw it on, and go. So all that I had to do here was really just go through it with the hot comb just to kind of relax some of the areas in the top because I did actually allow this to dry underneath my hooded dryer, which y'all, I cannot believe gave out on me the same day. I've had this hooded dryer for probably about maybe 6 years now. So I definitely got the bang for my buck. But of course, I did take a little bit of Cream of Nature mousse just to make sure that everything was going to kind of lay in nicely. I think I kind of smashed the hair. So just be mindful when you guys do actually apply your elastic band. Make sure that everything is exactly where you want it to be. Because when you lift it up, you guys, you want to make sure that it's giving the vibes that you're going for. So I did go ahead and just take a little bit of the Care wax stick just to help smooth everything down. Now, obviously, if your hot comb is as hot as it needs to be, you shouldn't have to use any type of product, but I was initially going for like a sleek middle part, which I ended up wearing this hair for a week. So if you guys are already following me on Instagram or TikTok and you guys saw the pool party that I went to, and of course I was wearing that super cute bucket hat, which I'm going to show you guys in a little bit. Yeah, this was the hair that I was wearing. So it definitely gave me what I was looking for. The quality of the hair was super nice. It wasn't tangling, shedding. The only thing that I would have changed on this is if I could have gotten the pre-bleach knots. Like literally that would have been the only thing that kind of made me go, ugh. But you guys, the price point is like undeniable. So obviously I am here to kind of help you out. So if you do need to know how to do the, bleaching the knots yourself at home, step by step, definitely go through the playlist because I think it's worth it. If you get to kind of save $100 to $200 at your stylist, why not? You guys, I'm teaching you guys to do this yourself so that you don't really have to worry too much. And I did go ahead and just add a few layers in the front. I didn't do like anything crazy. So I took the hair from about maybe around my mouth area and went ahead and just razored that down. And you guys can see I threw some curls in it just to help give it a little bit more shape because this is body wave hair. And I mean, you could definitely wear it in its natural state if you wanted to, but just to kind of give more of that like bombshell felt effortless. I did this, but didn't really do it on purpose type of look. I definitely recommend adding a little bit of layers just to kind of frame the face. And then, of course, throw some curls in it. And the way that I would maintain this at night, of course, you guys can literally just put this into 2 Bantu knots, even 1 Bantu knot. And when you take it out, it is literally going to still have a curl, a wave, and all that you'll have to do is what I'm doing now. Just brush it out. And boom. So typically I do wear my units for a couple of days. Now I will take them on and off because I'm not really the biggest fan of like glue. And so that's why I love to show you guys the glueless units, because realistically, I'm the type of person that wants to sleep. If it's my cornrows, it's cornrows. It is what it is. But I don't usually like to sleep with hair, which that actually helps because you don't have to worry about your hair kind of getting tangled, matted, or anything in the middle of your sleep. And then, of course, if the bonnet comes off, it won't matter because your hair is not actually, on, or your wig isn't. But anywho, you guys, I am loving the way that this came out. It looks super effortless. You guys would have definitely thought that I went to the salon to get this done, and I'm just showing you it's glueless. Okay, so there's no tricks or buffoonery going on here. A question that I feel like I've gotten a lot is like, how long do I typically wear my units? Y'all, the most that I probably would wear a wig is about a week. I'm not gonna lie, just because I do like to switch up my look a lot. So I do have a very large collection of wigs, and that's just something that I like to do. So of course, this is the hat that I was wearing. 10 out of 10. Y'all know bucket hat is a go-to. I love y'all so much. Stay pretty. And of course, I will see you guys in my next video. Leave any comments or questions down below. Bye, babies.